there you have it. Now you have yourself a portable vice grips. You can use it on the field, in your shop. The C-clamp, obviously, you clamp to something that's sturdy. For example, I got my rod clamped in here. I can take my angle grinder saw, cut it down. If I have to get fasteners off, I can use this setup. This way I have 3 hands instead of 2. It's sturdy, it works good. So, and it's obviously easy to make. Here, I'll give you a better shot of it. So basically you have your C-clamp welded to your vice grips. Have it attached to a sturdy table. You can really clamp down the C-clamp. I have mine just a little bit loose, so this way I can kind of move it around like so. But you can really crank down on it, obviously, because it's a C-clamp. And when it's on the table, you can have this part, the C-clamp, butted up against the table, so this way it won't shift either. You can work at different angles. It's pretty sturdy. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Hit the like buttons. And once again, thanks for watching the Vice Grip Hack video. You all have a good one now.